I took a look in the gazebo, and I guess the squirrels are still getting in because there was a bunch of nuts sitting on my red air chair, and they just got it all dirty, so that's the end of it. I'm pulling the air chairs out of there, and on my list is I'm going to make sure there's no holes that any squirrels or mice can get in the gazebo anymore. So that's going to be a challenge, but it needs to happen because I'm sick of them getting in there. So basically I'm just using soap and water and scrubbing it, and they had it pretty dirty. It's really coming pretty clean, and they did put some holes on the back of the bottom side, but fortunately it's double knit, so you don't see them from the top. I don't know why they did that, but either way, that's the end of it. They're not. It's one of my first air chairs I got, a really nice red one. So we're gonna. I thought it was gonna rain. I thought I'd just let it sit out there and get washed off in the rain, but apparently it's gone around us. So I'm gonna scrub a little longer, and then I'm just gonna start pouring fresh water on it, or get the hose out and get it all nice and clean, and then let it dry. But it's coming pretty clean, so it's gonna look good. And the ropes, they didn't do anything with the ropes. I washed them too, but they're all in good shape. So all in all, it's in good shape. A couple holes on the bottom side, which kind of irritating, but it will be okay. It's still good use. One of the original air chairs. Let's see what the tag says. I do this website. Oh, this is when we had the airchair.cc. So we don't have that. We may have that one yet, but that email is no longer one to use. Steve's not involved. Airchair.net is the one to go to. Yeah, this is one of the originals. Okay. Cleaning the air chair, soap and water, lots of soap and water, scrubbing. The denier nylon is very tough, rugged, and quite stain resistant. And that's why it's coming clean. And then we'll put up a nice hanging spot and keep it over here.